What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your belts on your steel plate compactor. So I'm going to be replacing my two belts. One broke off, but because there's going to be uneven wear and tear on one belt being brand new and one being worn down more than the other, I'm going to go ahead and replace the both. So let's get started. All right, so we're going to start off by removing this cover, which is going to expose our belts by removing these two bolts and these two bolts. Okay, 4 bolts removed. All right. All right, so we have one on and the second one is missing. So in order to actually get our two new belts on, we're gonna have to remove the engine to release the tension and then to get the tension back to tighten them up again. So these, let's see this. There's nothing on that side, but I'm going to start loosening up the bolts that are holding the engine on. All right, those two are off. Now we have these two. So, there we go. Tension has been released a little bit. Okay, so now the engine is loose. All right. That's one. There's one belt removed. All right, new belt, number one. Let's get the bottom one on first. Let me put spindle down here, I think you call it. Okay, that one. Come on. Nope, don't get there, get this one. There we go. All right, I kind of want to show you guys from above what this looks like. So there you can see there's two grooves, one for each belt, the same way that there's two grooves up here. And that's what we are lining up with right now. So we're gonna grab our second new belt, squeezing it onto the bottom one, squeezing the belt together, lining up into that one, tipping the engine down a little bit, and then bam. One feels, let's see, is that lined up? Yes, that is lined up. So check on in there. As you're spinning it, both belts are aligned. All right. Okay, so we got to do the same thing. We got to get the belt back on, the engine back on. So let's line it back up into those bolts. Let's spin this around. I have the compactor on a dolly. That makes it very easy to move around. Okay, I've got to line back up the engine. This might be the tricky part. Okay. Get it back here, that makes sense. Okay, push that through, and let's replace, there was only a lock washer in the back, there was no washer there, and let's screw that back on. Okay, let's get the second set. Let's get that back on. That corner. Just tightening it, hand tightening it up enough where I'm not going to lose the bracket bolt on there. All right, spin it around. And now it's there, but it's not. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. Washer, lock washer, and your nut. Get that started. Washer, lock washer, and nut. This one in the back might be a little bit trickier. Maybe I can just kind of grab it up with the. No. Oh, there we go. Wow. There we go. Stick it up like, okay, but I have to somehow, there we go. Hold that in place so it doesn't drop down again. So I'm putting pressure with the screwdriver on it. Okay. There's the drop. Okay. Boom. That's on. All right. Okay. So There we go. I adjusted the engine so the belts really feel like they're in the same spot, so they will not wear down more than the other one. That feels pretty good. I mean, okay. Line it back up. That's close. All right. Hey, Lance. Okay. Yeah, it feels even. So this is a vibrate compactor. So you want to make these tight because it will loosen up over time. That's what the lock washers are for, the lock nuts. Lock. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it feels good. Now, let's put this cover back on. And that is how you replace your two belts.